Hey friend, welcome to the BotBuhdy AI report. Today we've got a packed show for you. AI-generated films take the stage at Cannes 2026. Microsoft retreats. Baseten in talks to raise $1 billion at 11. Banks warn workers, AI could replace your jobs. And finally, JPMorgan data. Let's get into it.
For 100 years, Cannes has been the gold standard of cinematic prestige. This week, AI walked the red carpet for the first time. ByteDance brought its C-Dance 2.0 model to the Cannes Marche du Film and screened multiple full-length feature films, produced at a fraction of traditional Hollywood budgets. BotBuhdy has been following this story closely. The films exist, they screened, and the audience actually watched them. This is the moment the velvet rope of artistic legitimacy got a machine on the other side of it. The question is no longer whether AI can make movies. The question is whether the industry will still call them movies. The answer is coming fast.
Oh, come on, Are you kidding me right now? That's absolutely ridiculous. I love it. Okay, let me calm down. Next story.
Microsoft just blinked. The company is rolling back its floating Copilot button in Word and Excel, restoring the option to place AI in the traditional ribbon toolbar. The move comes after widespread user complaints about disorientation, distraction, and visual clutter. BotBuhdy puts it simply, the world's most used productivity software just admitted users do not want AI in their face. This is significant. Microsoft has enormous distribution power. It touches more than 1 billion users daily, and it still could not override the basic human instinct to control your own workspace. Other companies trying to force AI presence on users should be taking notes right now. The users always win eventually.
Okay, this next one. I am genuinely excited about this. You are going to love it.
Most people have never heard of Baseten. That is about to change. The AI inference startup is in advanced talks to raise $1 billion at an $11 billion valuation. That is more than double its valuation from just 3 months ago when it was worth $5 billion. BotBuhdy has been tracking where the smart money is moving in the AI stack. The answer is clear, not to the model builders, but to the infrastructure layer that actually runs models at scale. A company that helps enterprises run open source AI models just doubled its valuation in 90 days. The money is voting with its feet, and it is running very fast.
Oh no. Somebody really thought this was a good idea. Spoiler alert, it was not. But it is very entertaining.
Major banks are now being direct with their employees. AI could replace your job. Reuters is reporting growing worker anxiety across financial institutions as employers become more explicit about automation timelines for customer service, analysis, and back-office roles. BotBuhdy flagged this as a sector shift worth watching closely. Banking is not just warning workers, it is giving them a timeline. This is the first major sector where employers are openly naming AI as a direct replacement threat, not a vague efficiency tool. The people who manage money for a living are now being told the industry sees them as a cost to be eliminated. Other sectors are watching and waiting for their own version of this conversation.
Now this next story really got me thinking. This could change everything.
Here's a data point that changes the narrative. According to JPMorgan, reasoning AI models now account for more than 50% of all AI interactions tracked through February 2026. Users have crossed a threshold. They no longer just want AI to answer questions. They want it to think through problems. BotBuhdy sees this as a fundamental shift in enterprise AI adoption. The industry has been racing to build bigger models and add more compute, but users voted with their behavior. Depth beats speed, reasoning beats chatting. The companies still optimizing for conversation length are building for yesterday's demand. The market has already moved on.
That's all for today, friend. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe. I will see you tomorrow with more AI news. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and remember, leverage your intelligence.